Here in the Smithsonian Gardens, where they have 3D printed sculptures all over the garden. Pretty neat concept, huh? First 3D printed sculpture in the garden here at the Smithsonian. Imagine that. So let's get closer to one of these sculptures and I'll show you how it looks like. There's actually an event that they're going to be having, but this is what the 3D printed sculpture looks like. Pretty neat, huh? Everything here is 3D printed with this orange motif for some of these inspiring people. And I'm at the Smithsonian Museum currently. So, new world, absolutely new concept. Alright, I'm gonna try to go in. I'll catch you in a little bit. Thanks for watching.